Hello children, welcome once again to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Children, we have completed our 10th chapter, Plants and Their Parts. Now we are discussing textbook exercises. In our previous class, we have discussed first two exercises. They are choose the correct answer and true or false. Hope all of you understood very well. Today we will discuss name the following and think and answer question. Are you ready? Yes. Before starting today's session, let's go through the lesson once. Children, in this chapter we have discussed different parts of the plant and their function. First we have discussed about root. Root is the part which we can see under the ground. It absorbs water, minerals, and it holds the plant firmly to the soil. It also stores extra food. Example, the plants like carrot, beetroot, radish, etc. Two types of roots are there, taproot and fibrous root. Next is shoot. Shoot is the part which we can see above the ground. Stem is the main part of shoot. Stem bears leaves, branches, fruits, flowers, buds, etc. It transports water and minerals from the root to upper part of the plant, and it also distributes cooked food from leaves to different parts of the plant. Stem also stores extra food in some plants. Next is leaf. Leaf can cook food. It has different parts: leaf blade, main vein, side veins and stomata. Chlorophyll gives green color to the leaves. We also discussed about flowers, fruits and seeds. Hope all are thorough with this lesson. Let's begin today's session. Here is our third exercise. Name the following. Let me read questions. First question. The type of root seen in a mustard plant. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. In mustard plant, we can see taproot. Then you have to write taproot near to the first question. Second question, an underground stem that stores food. The stem which we can see under the ground is the underground stem. You can write ginger, potato, turmeric, any one of these. Then third question, the flat part of a leaf. The flat part of a leaf is known as, yes, leaf blade. Then the fourth question, the tiny openings in a leaf through which air enters. What is that part? Yes, stomata. Stomata we cannot see with our naked eyes. We should use microscope to see that structure. Then fifth question, the gas that plants give out while making food. So listen carefully, which gas plants give out while making food. While making food, the plants give out oxygen. Then what about breathing? While breathing, plants give out carbon dioxide like human beings. The next exercise. Here is a picture of a leaf making food. Help the leaf to take in and give out the right things by filling in the boxes. While making food, plants take in water, carbon dioxide and sunlight and give out oxygen. So fill these boxes. Here you have two questions to think and answer. First question, humans cannot live without plants. Do you think plants can live without humans? Human beings and plants depend on each other. Plants get carbon dioxide to make their food from the human beings, and The human beings get oxygen from plants as they release oxygen by the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is present already in the air. If there is no human being, the carbon dioxide will not be recycled. So, as long as the air contains carbon dioxide, the plants can sustain. Second question, how will you make sure that the plant you grow at home is able to make food? We already discussed that for making food, plants need water, minerals, carbon dioxide, sunlight, etc. So, you should make sure that plants you grow at home is getting proper conditions for making their food. So children, this much our textbook exercise. So I have attached the answer key for the textbook exercises along with this class. Download it. Children, we have discussed the textbook exercises today. Hope all of you have understood. Read the lesson, study the notes. Along with the notes, you have to study the textbook exercises also. This much for today. We'll meet in our next class with a new topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.